Good morning, Michael. It's already 7:30.
Morning. Is it really that late?
Yes, it is. I've been up for half an hour making breakfast.
You're always the early bird. I just wanted a little more sleep.
I know, but today is Saturday. We have a lot to do.
It's Saturday, Ina. Can't we just relax a little?
Not this morning. The kitchen cabinet door is still loose.
Oh, right. I said I would fix that.
Yes, and the kids will be opening it all day. I don't want it to fall off.
Okay, I can get my tools after breakfast.
No, please check it before breakfast. It only takes a few minutes.
Before breakfast? That's a bit early for fixing things.
If you do it now, we won't forget later.
You know I can't say no to you. There's my screwdriver.
In the drawer by the fridge. And don't make too much noise.
Why?
Because I'm going to wake Jack. And I don't want him to hear the tools and hide under his blanket.
Okay, I'll be quiet. Go wake our sleepy boy.
I will. You start with the cabinet, and I'll start with Jack. Knock, knock. Jack, time to get up.
5 more minutes.
No, you already said that last Saturday. Come on.
But it's the weekend. I don't have school today.
I know, but we have breakfast waiting and things to do.
What things? Can't I just sleep more?
We're cleaning the house and going shopping later.
Shopping? Can I get a new game?
Maybe, but only if you help with the cleaning.
That's not fair. You always make a deal.
Because deals work with you. Now get out of bed.
It's too warm under the blanket. Can't I just eat here?
No, breakfast is in the kitchen and it's getting cold.
Okay. But I'm still sleepy.
Then wash your face and you'll feel more awake.
Fine. But I'm going to play a game after breakfast.
We'll talk about that later. Now let's move. Emma, are you awake?
Yeah, but I'm still in bed.
It's already 8:30. Time to get up.
I know. I'm just deciding what to wear.
Deciding now? We're only having breakfast.
Yes, but we're going shopping later. I want to look nice.
You always look nice, even in a t-shirt.
Mom, you don't understand. I want to feel good today.
I do understand, but we don't have all morning.
I'm almost ready. I just can't decide between the blue dress and the yellow one.
How about the blue one? It matches your jacket.
Maybe, but the yellow one feels more fun.
Then wear the yellow one and come have breakfast.
Okay, but I still need to fix my hair.
You can do that after you eat, or your food will get cold.
Fine, give me 5 minutes.
5 minutes, Emma, not 15.
Yeah, I know. I'll hurry.
Jack, what are you doing?
Playing my game.
You just finished breakfast, and now you're playing already?
Yeah, it's the weekend. I have free time.
I know, but you've been playing for 30 minutes.
30 minutes is not much. I can play for 2 hours.
2 hours? That's way too long.
But I'm almost at the next level. I can't stop now.
You can stop. The game will still be there later.
But I'll lose my focus.
You'll lose your eyesight if you play too much. Come and help me instead.
Help you with what?
We need to clean the living room, vacuum and dust.
That's so boring.
It will be faster if we do it together, and then you can play again.
Really? You promise?
Yes, if you help without complaining.
Okay. Let me just save my game.
Save it now and bring the vacuum cleaner.
Fine. But you owe me 10 more minutes of game time later.
We'll see. Now, come on. Jack, here's the vacuum cleaner.
Do I really have to?
Yes, you promised after breakfast.
But it's so boring.
It will be quick. We only need to clean this room.
How quick is quick?
10 minutes, if you keep moving.
10 minutes? That's still long.
If we work together, it will feel shorter.
Can I play my game after?
Yes, if you do a good job.
Okay. Where should I start?
Start by the sofa, then move to the table area.
The cord is too short.
Then plug it in here, near the wall.
Oh, that's better.
Don't forget under the table. It's dusty.
I found a candy wrapper.
See? That's why we clean.
Fine. I'm almost done.
Great. Then we can take a short break.
And then I can play my game?
Yes, but only for 30 minutes. How's the cabinet door, Michael?
Almost done. I just need to tighten this screw.
It was really loose. I was afraid it might fall off.
Yeah, good thing I fixed it now.
You're always good at fixing things.
Maybe I should start charging you.
Oh, really? Then I'll start charging you for cooking dinner.
Maybe free service is better.
I think so too. So, what else do we need to fix today?
Nothing urgent, but we should check the mat in the hallway.
We can do that tomorrow. Today, we need to go shopping.
Shopping list ready?
Almost. We need milk, bread, vegetables, and coffee.
Always coffee. I'm happy with that.
And maybe something for the kids.
A new game for Jack? That will keep him busy.
Only if he helps clean without complaining.
Then we'd better buy him 2 games.
Very funny. Now, wash your hands. Lunch is almost ready. Alma, can you help me set the table?
Sure. Where are the plates?
In the cabinet above the sink. Take 4.
4? But Jack always eats like 2 people.
Then maybe 5 plates.
Do we have juice for lunch?
Yes. Orange juice is in the fridge.
Good. I like juice more than water.
Water is still better for you, but juice is okay sometimes.
What are we having for lunch?
Vegetable soup and sandwiches. Quick and simple.
Can we have pasta tomorrow?
We'll see. Maybe after we go shopping.
Are we buying anything for me today?
What do you want?
Maybe a new hair clip or a t-shirt.
A hair clip is easy, but we'll look at clothes too.
Nice. I hope we find something cute.
I'm sure we will. Now finish the table. Lunch is almost ready.
Okay, I'll put the forks and spoons now.
Michael, do you have the shopping list?
Yes, it's right here in my pocket.
Good. Do we have everything?
I think so. Keys, wallet, a phone, and my sunglasses.
Always your sunglasses.
Of course, it's sunny outside.
Okay, let's go before it gets too busy.
Wait, do we have the reusable bags?
Yes, they're in the trunk already.
Perfect. Can we stop at the coffee shop first?
Only if we keep it quick. We have a lot to buy.
Deal. I'll drive faster.
Not too fast. We're not in a race.
All right,
right.
let's get in the
Let's
car.
get in the car.
Seatbelt on.
Always ready to go?
Ready. Let's go shopping.